Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the channel name on your Twitch account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device. And once you open it up, you will need to log into your account using your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the name of your channel, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. You will then see the My Channel button. If you tap on this will show you the preview of your channel. However, you cannot edit your channel name. So from the profile menu, tap on the Edit Profile button. And now this will take you into your profile edit page. Now underneath the About section, you will see the username as well as the display name. Your channel name is simply the display name within your profile. So in order to change your channel name, just tap on the display name option. And now you will be able to choose your desired channel name by simply typing it within the box. After typing in your preferred name, tap on the Save button. And now this will change your channel name on your Twitch account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your channel name on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.